have bombs that cost millions.
Hello. I'd like to talk to this ritual murderer.
And they are cheap. They use
this foul ritual murderer. Actually, ritual murderers. Shembe from South Africa and King Mswati III. Okay, Shembe, listen. Let me explain something to you that you don't understand. The country of Swaziland belongs to the people of Swaziland. The country of Swaziland belongs to the people of Swaziland, not King Mswati. King Mswati is not a free, standalone entity. He belongs to the people of Swaziland, along with the Queen Mother. So you cannot say you have not come to Swaziland to see the people of Swaziland. You've come to Swaziland to see the King and the Queen Mother. When you come see the Queen Mother and the King, you're essentially coming to see the people of Swaziland. Ungasheli ukuthi awugeza uzokhuluma namaSwati, uzobona inkosi nendlovukazi. Kusho wena Masimbenja. Don't say that. Because what you're doing, you agree with King Mswati that the country belongs to him. It's his farmland. Everything in Swaziland belongs to him and everything in it. Okay? So I want you to understand that point of clarification. You cannot say when you come to Swaziland, you're not coming to Swazis. You're coming to Swazis. When you come to the King of Swaziland and the Queen Mother, we know what you're coming there to do. We know your filthy business, that you're coming there to murder our children, to so-called to strengthen the king. So all these children that disappeared while you were in Swaziland were killed by you on behalf of the king of Swaziland. Okay, that's why you're saying you're not coming to Swaziland to see the people of Swaziland, because you're coming there to murder them, to murder their children and cause chaos in this country. We don't want you to ever come back to our country. Shembe, ever again in our lives. We don't want you coming back to Swaziland. Okay? We're going to do something to you next time you come to Swaziland. We're not Shembe. Uzokanga la, Eswazini. Uzokanga. You're killing innocent children and you're hiding behind this fake religion. I've done a whole research on your religion and I know what you're about. We're not Shembe. So don't come back here and say you're coming to visit the king as if the king is a free agent, is a free entity, stand-alone entity. He belongs to the people of Swaziland as well as indlovukazi. Inkosi Mswati, inkosi yamaswati. Ngiyathi kuthi akakwati lokho ngoba akakhuliswanga kahle. Akathi kuthi kuba inkosi yini. Yini umsebenzi wakhe? Kuthi abe inkosi la eveni namaswati. Asisamfuni, sifuna phuma phela. Ngoba uyaganga la kaNgwane. Uyangiva Shembe, ungabuyi la kaNgwane. Masimbenja mthakathi. Mthakathi. Masimbenja ungabuyi la kaNgwane. Tobulala abantwana bemaswati. Uthi uqinisele inkosi le. Uyaganga. Wena Shembe. Sis man. Damn it. This is why maswati ngantshela ukuthi buphelele bukhosi kaNgwane. Funa siqoshe lenje. Sicalele phasi sakhe live. Manje aniva nina bogawuzela. Damn it man. Nabo qhawekazi.